with Spanish curriculum powered by Sombrero Time. It's been a little while since we've chatted. A lot of you came out for the July webinar. It was great to be with you then. And then we've been working on some stuff. August is full of live trainings. And then September, we're launching our private program because we teach Spanish to students too. But I have this growing and growing passion to resource people everywhere, Spanish teachers everywhere, with resources so that you guys feel supported, you're connected, all those wonderful things that keep you in the game, giving the gift of language to students. So I want to tell you about one of the things I've been working on for you guys. We are going to launch a webinar on October 24th, Hacking the Holidays for Spanish Teachers. And I want to invite you to come sit, S-I-T, with me and talk about what do we do with those sugar-loaded students? What do we do with all those interruptions and the terribly long hours? So let's unpack the S of SIT, sugar-loaded students. I'm going to give you in the webinar some really specific strategies for you to deal with all the frenetic energy of students eating tons of cookies and class parties and Halloween candy. What do we do with all that frenetic energy? I'm going to give you some ideas about that in the webinar. So hop on and register to get your seat at the webinar, and we'll see you soon. Hasta luego.